Power of levels, power of technicals yet again in crude oil and net gas. C 67.4, 67.6, which we discussed as a greater resistance for the day, is so far respected, and oil is not willing, it appears it is not willing to break beyond this, but yes, it has still not much of a scope for to do so. Likewise with net gas, it is yet to stay above 4.3. Can we expect these levels to get breached with the US session? We also have the net gas storage data today, which might bring further volatility into the gas prices. What to expect, way to enter, way to exit, how to profit trading oil and gas today. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch. If you look at oil on the early chart, see what did you discuss earlier yesterday and today as well. See the drop here, then this formation, then this retracement. So yes, it appears it is trying to reverse from the lower highs, and it is trying to create this steep bearish channel. But see the lows of this steep bearish channel are now towards 65, which appears to be a greater support levels on the downside. Now if you look at the move here, what has happened, the retracement was gradual, the drop is sharp, and these levels here in between 66.5, 66.8 is a pretty strong support. That is what we had also discussed, and thus it is very important for oil to now trade below 66.5. If it trades below 66.5, then also 66.2, 65.8 should come as a stronger support levels. One thing is also clear, that on the upside 67.4, 67.6 should hold as a greater resistance as well, because beyond this we are looking forward to 68, 68.5, and then in fact if 68, 68.5 is taken any point of time today, tomorrow, or next week, we can expect the next move to be towards 70.2, 70.4 zone, which appears a difficult thing. As what we can see right now is a greater struggle. Moving averages have started to converge again. Stochastic dropped sharp. The MACD after retracement crossing over, and it is a slight bearish sign as this crossover is on the sell side. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See 67.4, 67.6, so offering a greater resistance. Price is trying to reverse here, but on the downside now it has to trade below now 66.8, 66.5 zone, which should offer the next support, because below that the possibility will increase that we may see a move which can take the price is all the way below 65.8. Now remember, there are greater supports available. Also, the next thing you should note is it is delivering higher lows every time and trying to bounce back. Now this is a gradual retracement channel here, and any drop now below 65.8 should take the. Now on the 2 hour chart, see the moving averages are almost running flat despite a dip. Prices are trying to recover here, and now it is very important for oil to trade beyond 67.4, 67.6. That will confirm a breakout move here, and then we can just stay bullish all the way towards 68, 68.5. As we have discussed that it is delivering higher lows and higher highs, it is still maintaining a little bullish stance. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD after the crossover trying to trade with little bullishness, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped and it is trading comfortable. Coming to 3 hour charts, look at the 3 hour charts. Straight bearish candle. See the bearish candles are bigger in size. The retracement candle are smaller in size. It failed to give a breakout and trying to reverse. Yet it is very important for the prices to trade below 66.8, 66.5, and then 66 levels. Very crucial support levels exist here, and we also know that this complete zone between 65 and 67 is indeed a great support for crude oil here. Thus a move beyond 67.6 will confirm a reversal. Right now it is staying bearish. The stochastic at top here, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with little bullishness looking upwards, while the RSI is showing slight signs of exhaustion. Coming to 4 hour charts, if you look at the 4 hour charts, see this was the reversal confirmation. We have seen a rise here. Now prices are trying to reverse again. However, it could nullify this drop here, and a move beyond 67.6 is what we need in order to confirm this reversal, as right now slight signs of bearishness are there. Notice this, after this straight bullish candles, it is also showing a slight reversal sign here on the 4 hour charts. Thus the next candle is going to be very crucial, and a drop below 66.8 is where you can stay or take a selling entry, but then with the caution note till 66.5. Stochastic overbought, MACD just crossing over and trading with little bullishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, On the daily charts here, see too much of divergence of price from the moving average, and then the support levels here till towards 66. See, it is converged here, it has failed to stay above the 20 period moving average. Thus, very important for oil to trade above 68, 68.5 levels. Now, see what it has done yesterday. It has taken a good dip day before, then a swing has appeared hitting the lows. It has seen a recovery. Now, today, it is trying to decide a direction. Remember, a drop below 66.5, and this is going to be crucial here, because see that may call for another bearish candle. See this first, then the second candle would appear with the resistance here at 67.5, 67.6. The prices might try to continue here on the downside, and this could also begin the next down move here, because see if it trades below 65 any point of time, because remember, a drop here and a drop below 65 should confirm the next down move, the next round of drop, and in fact this could continue here for next few sessions, because below 65 it is 63.46 and 62 levels. Stochastic has dropped, but notice, see MACD after dropping sharp here, it has crossed over at the bottom, and it is trading with moderate bullishness as of now. The possibility of continuous rise exists here. RSI running flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry is only about 67.4, 67.6. This is pretty clear. And then 68 till 68, and then 68.5 levels, I will not consider oil as bullish. It is only and only if it trades above 68.5 you can say that it is turned bullish, and then we can 69.2, 69.3, and in fact 70.2, 70.4 zone as well. But right now it is struggling here on the downside. Now the selling entry should be at 66.8, and then you can expect 66.5, 66.2, 65.8, and if 65.8 is taken, stay short for 65.4, 65 levels. Below 65, no looking back, a greater correction should follow. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural. And before we move to natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and looking forward to a broker, just join my signals. Join the recommended broker, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Now look at the hourly charts on net gas. What has happened here? See, rise, retracement, support from 2050. Rise, retracement, support from 20 period. One sharp bullish candle has appeared. Now it is very crucial for gas to stay above 4.3. Now remember, 4.3 is one such crucial zone which will confirm its next move all the way towards 4.2, 4.4 zone, and 4.4 to 4.44 zone. Remember, 4.3 is definitely going to be a good resistance zone. And for this to happen, the current candle has to stay outside band. It should put pressure on the bands to expand, and the next candle should continue with the up move here. Then this is something you should watch out for. And yes, 4.4, 4.42, 4.44, this complete zone is going to offer a greater resistance on the upside for net gas. Notice what is happening. This is how it has been trading, and in fact 3.34, 4.34, 4.35 levels also should offer a little resistance here. That is because this is the top of the retracement channel here. Now look at the stochastic. This is rising from the bottom. The MACD has crossed over for the sell, trying to cross over for the buys again. The RSI is rising again. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at 2-hour charts, the crossover in the moving averages is on the buy side, and it is a good sign for the bulls. If you see this, this is how it has been trading, higher lows and higher highs, and now wait for it to stay above 4.3. Then you can expect the next move might take it all the way towards 4.4, 4.44 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still rising, RSI rising. Signs are still supportive for further bullishness. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See this flat base, and with that as flat base, it is trying to deliver higher highs. The possible advancement towards 4.4 to 4.44 can be expected here. The moving average is again converging here on the upside. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD rising, the RSI rising, and signs are supportive for further bullishness. Look at the 4-hour charts. What has happened? A greater support is created. Moving average is now looking upwards, and this could be, see, first bullish candle, then a consolidation. Next one, I will wait for the next candle. A move beyond 4.3 and 4.34 should confirm the next targets all the way towards 4.4 to 4.44, and the next towards 4.45, 4.5 and 4.6. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Coming to now, notice this up move could be fueled with the storage data today. Notice on the daily charts what is it has delivered: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Then bigger the rise, bigger the retracement, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Again the 20 period, It has got the support at around 20 period, and this time also similar observation, it has taken support from close to 20 period and close to the critical support zone at $4 levels. With that as support, it is trying to bounce back. Notice after this first bullish candle, second one, and this is the third one. This one might take it, might call for it to erase the losses from this candle. That is a move towards 4.4 to 4.44 can be seen here, and this just a stronger possibility here, because beyond this we can look forward to a greater rise. 4.6, 4.8, and $5 levels should be there very soon. The stochastic rising MACD has crossed over on the sell side. My only worry point is this, because see, this crossover has appeared at a top here. It is just trying to converge, and with just trying to converge itself, even if it delivers 2 to 3 green candles, prices might move towards 4.6. Without a crossover, it can stay bullish, and it can in the near term again try to trade bearish. RSI rising here. So for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 4.3, and once you see the lower price above 4.3, buy 4.34, 4.35 first, 4.4 to 4.44 the next targets. Beyond 4.4 to 44, stay bullish for 4.5 and 4.6 levels. On the downside, if you see net gas trading below 4.25 levels, you can take a selling entry. Only if it trades below 4.2524, you can initiate a sell. And then it is very important for net gas to trade below 4.2, which will confirm the next down move all the way towards 4.15, 4.1. And below 4.1 is where the real bearishness to be seen, and then you can expect a complete reversal all the way towards $4 levels, and below 4 it is going to correct sharp 3.9 for 3.8, though appears difficult as of now. But yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.